All right, everybody, we're coming back from the break. It's called the Business to Business Network Show. If you just turned on your radio, we talk business, politics, economics. We have all kinds of different real estate agents because real estate is the heartbeat of Maricopa County. We also talk about other small business owners. We have a gentleman by the name of Paul. Give us your last name. Introduce yourself, please.
Paul Dyksterhouse from Bestcore, and I work real closely with a lot of realtors, a lot of other businesses, with residential and commercial tradespeople in coaching them on how to increase their profits for the business.
Describe what you do. Give us an example.
Sure. So I sit down with a business owner. I use AI software that we then look at their financials, their operations, their marketing, and then from that we define a strategy and a plan to help accelerate that. So we can typically help somebody increase their profits, 10% within a couple months.
Without mentioning any names, give us an example of the type of industry or the business that you came in contact with. Here's where they were at. Kind of go through the piece-by-piece example.
Sure. So came into connection with a landscape firm. They were trying to grow and wanted to add another set of crews. Realized that if they did that, they would actually reduce their profits because they weren't ready to scale and grow. So really helped them in looking at their cash flow, looking for opportunities where there was waste. It found some good opportunities for them to save money and how they were working with their vendors, and then took that money from the additional savings, and we were able to apply it for marketing, things like that, to grow their business once they had really stabilized their cash flow.
And you're using artificial intelligence, a program. Do you have designers, engineers? Walk us through this. How does this work?
So it's software for business coaching and business profit management. So it's a financial modeling software. And so I take in their current financials, look at that and say, as we look at their cash flow and things, we look then and say, okay, where can we find money that's at this point being wasted or being unseen, or handoffs, things like that. And so with that, then the software helps us identify that, and then it actually provides, you basically say, okay, this is where we're at. It will then provide, these are 22 different things that you can do to save money this quarter, based on what your current profiles are.
Interesting. And now, is this software that's on the shelf? Did you guys have to design it? Give us a little bit deeper background on how that works.
So I'm a coach, and I utilize a product from a company called Focus.com. They're the developer of the software, and it's a full customer coaching management system. And so it's an online tool that I use with my customers, but it's really, once you have the tool in hand, I actually give them a portal view into it so they can see exactly the progress we're making week to week.
Now, do you rub shoulders with some of these AI software engineers, or have you been to tell us a little bit about that?
Sure. So over the past couple years, I actually do work with engineering teams separately. A couple customers where I've worked with their engineering teams. With those teams, really, we've looked at what we call use cases. So we look at what is the business pain points today, manual processes. Let's take the simplest ones to start with a new business or with a business, and then how can we take and automate those simple processes? You have to walk before you can run with AI, and so we use that as a way for everybody to learn what its capabilities and its limitations are. And so as you do that, then they're able to say, okay, we observed this quarter, we're able to do these 5 things. It saved us, so many thousands of dollars a week or a day.
Okay, and that's the key here, is to having the innovation. And also the contacts to try to analyze how to be more efficient,
yes,
and more profitable. And this artificial intelligence, the beauty of it is it's pulling from all of this universe of intelligence that's on the internet and helping narrow it down to make things more efficient. Am I saying that right?
Yes, but typically we'll pull from the internet, but we also pull from private data.
Okay.
So that's something where we work with a business.
Their private data.
Their private data. Yeah. And so we make sure that we pull from both, because then it has context. If the AI is just generic,
no, right,
it's not going to help their specifics, but we use their data then to actually look at what are the key opportunities for them. And it looks across thousands of records to say, here are opportunities for this business needs.
Excellent. How can people reach you? How do they get?
Best way is you go to Best Corps, BESTCORPS, just like the Marine Corps. So bestcorps.com, and you can schedule an appointment there. You can see videos exactly how we do this productivity and acceleration for profits.
Do you give out a phone number?
Sure, 480-239-4099. Text me, call, and we can set up an appointment.
One more time, the phone number.
480-239-4099 for a free assessment.
Paul, thank you so much for coming down. This is really good. Cutting edge stuff. This is where we're going, and this is the guy that can help you step into the future right here. My name is Rex Perry. If you are part of our show and you would like to be part of our show, go to our website, 123bz.com, 123, B as in business, Z as in zebra.com. Everybody stay tuned. We're going to be right back.